Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be notified on the next lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is about rates. You are going to learn it here the easy way. The main objective of our lesson is to find unit rate and unit price. Rate is a ratio between two measurements with different units. If the unit or quantity in respect of which something is changing or not specified, usually the rate is per unit time. Unit rate is a comparison of two different quantities when they are combined together. While unit price is the price per unit of the product, which can be calculated for any product regardless of how it is packaged. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Shamsa prepared 40 fruit baskets in 10 minutes. Write this rate as a unit rate. The rate will be written as 40 fruit baskets over 10 minutes. To find the unit rate, we're going to divide the numerator by the denominator. Therefore, 40 divided by 10 is 4, and 10 divided by 10 is 1. Hence, the unit rate is 4 over 1. 4 fruit baskets per minute. What about this example? Mariam encoded 1,500 words in 3 minutes. Write this rate as a unit rate. We are going to write the rate as 1,500 words in 3 minutes. The common factor of the numerator and denominator is 3. Therefore, 1,500 divided by 3 and 3 divided by 3. And it will give us 500 all over 1. Therefore, Mariam encoded 500 words per minute. It is easy. What about this example? Camels are astonishingly travels 70 miles per day. How far can camels travel in 6 hours? We are going to write the rate as 70 miles per day. But 1 day is equivalent to 24 hours. So let us write the rate as 70 miles per 24 hours. We need to find out how far can camels travel in 6 hours. Since we have 70 miles per 24 hours, we need to look for the factors of 24. To come up with 6 hours, we need to divide 24 by 4 and 70 by 4. In that event, 70 miles divided by 4 is equal to 17.5 miles, and 24 hours divided by 4 is equal to 6 hours. Therefore, the answer in the question, camels travel 17.5 miles every 6 hours. What about this example? A female's pulse rate is about 210 beats every 3 minutes. A male's pulse rate is about 120 beats every 2 minutes. How many more beats does a female pulse rate in 60 minutes than a male's pulse rate have? Let us write the female's pulse rate as 201 all over 3. And the male's pulse rate is 120 all over 2. To get the unit rate of the female's pulse rate, we are going to divide the fraction by 3. Therefore, 201 divided by 3 is equal to 67, and 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. As a result, the unit rate of the female's pulse rate is 67 all over 1. Correspondingly, to get the unit rate of the male's pulse rate, we are going to divide the fraction by 2. Therefore, 120 divided by 2 is equal to 60, and 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Hence, the male's pulse rate is equal to 60 all over 1. To get the pulse rate in 60 minutes, we are going to multiply the unit rate by 60. Therefore, 67 all over 1 times 60, it will give us 4,020 beats. For the male's pulse rate, we are going to multiply the unit rate by 60. Therefore, 60 all over 1 times 60, it will give us 3,600 beats. To find how many more beats does a female's pulse rate have in 60 minutes than a male's pulse rate, we are going to get the difference. Therefore, 4,020 minus 3,600, it will give us 420 beats. Therefore, the female's pulse rate have 420 beats more in 60 minutes than the male's pulse rate. Let us move to unit prices. 2 kilograms of cauliflower were sold at 16.4 dirhams. What is the price per kilograms? We are going to write the rate as 16.4 dirhams per 2 kilograms. And to get the unit price, we are going to divide the fraction by 2 kilograms. Therefore, 16.4 divided by 2 is 8.2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, the unit price of cauliflower per kilogram is 8.2 dirhams. Let's work on another problem. Find the unit rate of 420 miles traveled on 14 gallons of fuel. We can write the rate as 420 miles per 14 gallons. To get the unit rate, we're going to divide the fraction by 14. Correspondingly, 420 miles divided by 14 is 30 miles, and 14 gallons divided by 14 is 1 gallon. Therefore, there will be 30 miles traveled in 1 gallon. To wrap it up, to find the unit rate of a given value wherein the denominator is not equal to 1, just complete the division operation. Divide the numerator by the denominator, and you can get the unit rate. Just remember, whether it is unit rate or unit price, divide the numerator by the denominator, and you can solve for the value of the unit rate or unit price. I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in the dark alley. We need to give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in our future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back and revise it again. Watch it slowly, step by step, and I know you can get it. Our life is always a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I want you guys to score high in math. Then be wise and healthy. Till next lesson. Be safe, guys. Bye-bye.